Good morning. It's been a while, Abby. I'm starting up a beautiful vlog. Welcome to my channel. My name is Anore Jennifer, a YouTuber based here in Asaba, a mom YouTuber based here in Asaba. I was kind of a bit discouraged, but I have to keep pushing. Today is Thursday, being 2nd of April. I'll be going to the market as usual to restock the house. Yeah, I actually want to do something different. I normally vlog whenever I go to the market, right? Okay, I still want to vlog and still show you guys how much, like, the prices of stuffs in the market since the fuel has increased. Let's know if we are still going to get it the same price, which I know is not possible, or triple of what you normally get. So today I might be going to Onitsha first to get rubbers, containers to be putting soup in the freezer. From there I will go to Oko. Yeah, so I need to leave early. The new stuff I wanted to do, I wanted to go live YouTube while buying all the stuff that I'm buying, but let's see how it goes, sha. I'll see you guys later. Let me know what I want to do. Guys, I'm in the market already. I'm not going to vlog more, so I'm waiting for my water leave. I wanted to go live, but network was disturbing. Mama, did they call you? I have to be very fast because rain is about to rain. Weather is bad. I see the weather. This rain, I beg. Carrots is how much? Green beans 500. I found the green beans. Guys, I'm back home. Like, rain don't beat me shady. That's my trouser. So I want to unbox the stuff that I got. I'm not going to show you guys, so because I want to quickly unbox it, and my hot water is already waiting for me. So I want to quickly unbox the stuff that I got. I want to eat hot noodles. My sister has already gone out to buy it. I no longer buy Indomie in this house, but I think I'm going to buy next week. So I want to quickly unbox, then go and bathe hot water, because the kind of dirty water that I mashed today, smelling water that I mashed today, I need to bathe. And I think my detour just finished. So I'll see you guys later. Maybe when I start cooking, I'll just see you guys later. So guys, look at some of the things I got. I just left it like this. See the fish I got. I'm supposed to cook today, but I can't try it though. About 8 pieces of fish. I want to make vegetable soup and oha soup. Also, my face is white, Abby. After bathing, I was so tired. I just wore my clothes, eat my food, and I slept off. My tummy is bloated. I don't know if I should quickly make. I want to make concoction rice. Our dinner today is rice and beans, but I'm not adding beans. So my kids are sleeping in my sister's room. I don't know if I will vlog. I don't know, because everywhere is dark. I've not gotten my LED lights, just maybe little, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes, sha.
1 welcome to my channel. I know Jennifer, real life moments, and nothing filtered, mom life stories, love and laughter, everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Rude Jennifer, always keeping it real.